Alex Coffey of TD Ameritrade joins us now for the Trader Rundown. Your observations, sir, on this market?
It's incredible. It seems to stay resilient despite all the uncertainties that still remain, but we did see a little crack in it as it inched off that 2,900 level on the S&P.
Let's take a look at your trades of the day, starting with the airline sector. Now you have your eyes on United.
Yeah, United is an interesting one. We actually saw Delta report this week, actually pretty strong earnings and an upbeat outlook, and we're seeing that spill over into the other airlines as well. And I'm seeing some activity in this week's option chain in the 83 calls, so a little bullish play on United Airlines.
And then you have to take a look at oil when you take a look at the airlines, because the airlines are so dependent on what's going on with the price of crude.
Absolutely, and you look at crude oil. Crude oil is almost more incredible than the story in equities. You see the insanely sharp sell-off that we saw in the second half and the latter half of 2018, and it's almost been just as sharp as a rebound, and we're seeing us kind of get back at to the bottom end of the range that we were in the terms of crude oil per barrel most of last year, around that 65 level. And I'm seeing a little bit of a bearish play in Exxon at the 80 puts more towards the end of the month in the April 26th cycle, and maybe looking for a little bit of a reversion off of that, what was support last year and now maybe a little bit of a resistance in crude oil.
One final trade for you, Square.
Square is an interesting one. Obviously, it's been a darling over the last couple years as far as more of one of those momentum stocks, but it's quite volatile as a result. And so I'm seeing the 70 puts being sold below the market on the news of a new Square seller card that's hoping to generate a little bit more revenue. Some analysts saying maybe up to 100 million annually.
Okay, good to have you here. Thanks so much. Have a great trading day.
Thanks.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.